It's time for the Daily Stand Up Podcast presented by Agile Dad with your host, Lee Henson. Without any further ado, let's get started. I was recently asked to review an article by Krishna Kumar called From Product Manager to AI Product Manager. And the question that he's posing is, are there different expectations from AI product managers than an experienced product manager cannot meet? Ooh, and how can this gap be bridged and should it? I think this is a great question. I want to see where he's taking it. So they asked me, the requester asked me to read it blind, which means that I'm reading it for the first time with you right now. So we're going to read through the article together. It looks pretty short, and I'll give you my feedback as we go. So here we go. Typically, product managers are generalists in the software world. There are transferable skills that make them valuable across sectors and technologies. However, I've seen specializations of various kinds. People specializing on product areas like marketplaces, search, ads, technology domains like cybersecurity, developer productivity, business domains like e-commerce, fintech, HR, and so on. Okay, so far so good. What he's saying here is that, while product managers should be, generic across all organizations, every organization needs one, you still have specializations within the product manager space. And I think that's incredibly important for us to recognize. So the key here is if we focus on AI, I'm guessing he's going to say that forces us to, or it shouldn't force us, it's going to allow us to be able to focus on one product manager with all these different specialties. But let's see where he takes it. So why should we focus on AI product management? AI or traditional? That's the question. Machine learning has been driving business impact for a while, decades now. Search, recommendations, ads, fraud detection, and many other areas are heavily driven by algorithms. So true. AI is bound to have a large impact on business productivity going forward. There is some hype, but there is surely some real gains after the hype settles, and I agree with that as well. There'll be a lot of effort by businesses to extract productivity gains out of AI, and this will open the door for better and more innovation. Let me read that one more time. There will be a lot of effort by businesses to extract productivity gains out of AI, and this will open a door for better and more innovation. Oh my goodness, I want that on a shirt. That's a great quote. An AI product manager could be working for a tech company, building foundational models and serving APIs like OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Microsoft, etc. A tech company, an AI product manager could also work for a tech company building tools and applications that will be heavily influenced by AI, Adobe, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, etc. Businesses that want to extract benefits from a new technology, or consulting companies that help businesses through transformation. Their role might be considered a consultant more than a PM, but they still will leverage AI to get that job done. That's me. That's where I am. So, the making of an AI product manager should be pretty simple. The fundamentals of product management still remain the same. Your job as a product manager is to deliver business impact by marshaling the resources of your team to identify and solve the most impactful customer problems. And I love that they use the word resources here, meaning tools, workspaces, people, cash, whatever resources you need to identify and solve the most impactful customer problems. You are de-risking business viability, technical feasibility, usability, and value of the product you're building. However, it will definitely help a lot if you understand a technology that enables new and better solutions to problems that existed before, opportunities to improve productivity from where it stands today, and new opportunities that emerge as businesses start adopting this new strategy. So, how do you approach this transition to AI product management? Does it make sense? If you're already an experienced PM, why would you work your way out of a job? The starting point is to build your knowledge and skills in the following areas. So double down on data analysis, build in expertise of structured and unstructured data by deriving insights that can drive product direction. Ability to do hands-on analysis will be valuable and something that AI won't quickly do. Learn fundamentals on machine learning. That's critical, especially if you're going to be dealing with AI on day-to-day. Make sure you understand data collection and labeling. Get up to speed on that if you're not there. Understand how things work. Play around with some of the models, the open source models, right? Make sure you know what's going on. Focus on UI design, guidelines for designing user interfaces. Learn how the Apples, Googles, and Microsofts of the world are helping invest and reinvest in good UI design. Understand popular business model applications, search recommendations, text completion, question answering. Understand evaluation metrics, getting a sense of how evaluation metrics and their applications and how they're applied is very important to make sure you're guiding the team towards the best impact and not just towards cranking out output. So it'll definitely help if you like the field. Some amount of curiosity will go a long way. I know I got the opportunity to work on this many years ago with different companies, and what I can tell you is I feel like what I'm doing with AI now is incredible. It is monumental, and it is changing the world. I think that if we create a genuine interest in AI and how it works in the field, it's going to make all of us understand and feel so much better. And it's going to make us really thrive on what products can do and what services can do. And it's going to help us to build the best products and services for the end consumer. So don't be afraid of AI. Leverage it to your advantage and become the best product manager you can be. That's going to do it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have something you want us to read or something you want to talk about, feel free to reach out. Learn more at agiledad.com. We'd love to hear from you. As always, we encourage you to stay healthy, stay well, and stay agile, my friends. Until next time, do take care.